Bingo Cash-style games use simple skill-based gameplay to let players compete for rewards, but the biggest difference between apps comes down to payout options, game variety, and how quickly you can reach a withdrawal. By the end, you'll know 5 games similar to Bingo Cash, what makes each one different, and which type of player each app fits best. If you like Bingo Cash because you enjoy quick matches and competitive gameplay, there are several alternatives worth checking out. First is Solitaire Cash. Instead of bingo, it uses solitaire tournaments where players compete based on speed and accuracy. The gameplay is familiar because it uses the classic solitaire format, but the competitive system adds entry-based contests and rewards. Next is Bubble Cash. This app changes the format completely by using bubble shooting puzzles. Players compete in timed matches where higher scores determine rankings. It's a better fit if you prefer quick puzzle rounds instead of card games. Third is Solitaire Cube. This game focuses on head-to-head solitaire competitions. Players play the same deck setup, and the winner is based on who scores higher within the game rules. It appeals to players who like strategy and repeatable skill-based matches. Fourth is Blackout Bingo. This is closer to Bingo Cash, because it keeps the bingo format, but adds competitive tournaments. Players can choose different bingo challenges and compete against others instead of only playing casually. Fifth is Mistplay. Unlike tournament-based apps, Mistplay rewards users for playing mobile games from its catalog. It works differently because you earn points through gameplay rather than competing directly in every match. When comparing these apps, look at 3 things before choosing one. Check whether the games match your skill level, understand the reward system, and review the withdrawal requirements before spending time or money. Bingo Cash is best for players who enjoy competitive bingo, while alternatives like Solitaire Cash and Solitaire Cube work better for card game fans. Bubble Cash is designed for puzzle players, Blackout Bingo keeps the bingo experience, and Mistplay offers a broader mobile gaming approach. The best next step is to try the app that matches the type of game you already enjoy instead of chasing rewards from a game you won't play regularly. If this comparison helped you find a better option, subscribe for more app comparisons and money-making app guides.